Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you a luxurious face and body bathing powder that will remove dark spots, blemishes and body acne, and will also help lighten and brighten tan dull skin. And within 7 days of regular use it will help you achieve enhanced complexion, smooth skin texture and clarity. So let's find out the recipe. Now this is my all-time favorite ingredient. It is rich, nourishing, creamy, perfect for all skin types. Rich in minerals, it helps fight body acne, dryness, dullness and evens out the skin tone. Fenugreek is a boon for skin. These tiny seeds are rich in vitamin A, C and K, which keeps your skin young, flawless and wrinkle-free. 2 teaspoons of papaya fruit powder. A perfect ingredient for glowing skin, has skin brightening and lightening properties that will rescue you from uneven skin tone and tanning. This ingredient helps soothe and calm skin redness, fight fine lines and wrinkles. Now in case if you don't have this ready-made powder, you can sun dry the aloe vera leaves and then grind it to make this kind of powder. Then you need is 8 to 9 almonds. You can substitute it with walnuts or peanuts. This is a superb ingredient for reducing pigmentation, spots and skin blemishes. Now in case if you don't have saffron, you can add 2 pinches of wild turmeric. Then add the oil of 2 vitamin E capsules. You can also use 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Mix well and put the ingredients into a mixer to make a fine powder of it. So you can add 1 to 2 drops of essential oil of your choice. You can either go for rose, lavender or sandalwood essential oil. So combine well and store in a clean bottle. The quantity was more, so I kept in 2 jars. So one for my face and the other I'll use it on my body. So gently wet your face and body while you're in the shower. Then apply onto your wet skin and gently scrub for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse off with cool water. So you will notice that this body bathing powder will instantly transform your dry, dull, uneven skin to smooth, spotless, bright and glowing skin. So it has a great shelf life for up to 40 days at room temperature. So give it a try and share your results with me.